Sqlalchemy ORM skip already existing tables on create. How can I avoid this exception in Sqlalchemy ORM when I try to create a table which already exists in a database? Sqlalchemy.exe invalid requester. Table call 1 is already defined for this metadata instance. Specify extend_existing equals true to redefine options and columns on an existing table object.
I needed to add use existing column true in Sqlalchemy 1.4 plus use extend_existing column true.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.